He was an English comic actor, filmmaker, and composer who rose to fame in the era of silent film. The Trump and is considered one of the most important figures in the history of film industry. Spouse Ona O'Neill. His spouse, fourth and last wife of English actor and filmmaker Charlie Chaplin. His former spouse name Paulette Goddard. Lita Grey, whose bitter divorce from the Chaplin caused a scandal. His former spouse Lita Grey. His former spouse Mildred Harris. His father name Charlie Chaplin Sr. His mother name Hannah Chaplin. His parents his granddaughter his granddaughter his granddaughter granddaughter Keira Chaplin. Granddaughter his daughter Jane Chaplin. Former spouse granddaughter Dolores Chaplin. His granddaughter son Eugene Chaplin. His daughter Josephine Chaplin. His son Michael Chaplin. His son Christopher Chaplin. Granddaughter his family grandson James Thier. Family his son he had estimated net worth of $400 million. His financial independence enabled him to spend years on the development and production of picture. He was born on 16th April 1889. There is no official record of his birth, although Chaplin believed he was born at Easton Street, Walworth in South London. At the time of his birth, His parents were both music hall entertainers. His early years were spent with his mother and brother Sydney in the London district of Kennington. His time in the poor schools, he began to perform on stage. He later recalled making his first amateur appearance at the age of 5 years. He found work with company and went on the tour with his brother, who was also pursuing an acting career in the comedy sketch called The Repeats. In Jan 1918, he was visited by leading British singer and comedian Harry Lauder, and the two acted in the short film together. His career spanned more than 75 years, from the childhood in the Victorian era until the year before his death in 1977. He chose to build his own studio, situated on 5 acres of land off Sunset, with production facility of highest order. At 19, he was signed to prestigious Fred Karno Company, which took him to America. By 1918, he was one of the best known figures in the world. In 1919, he co-founded the distribution company United Artists, which gave him complete control over his films. His first feature-length film was The Kid, followed by A Woman of Paris, The Gold Rush, and The Circus. He initially refused to move to sound films in the 1930s, instead producing City Light and Modern Times without dialogue. He became increasingly political, and his first sound film was The Great Dictator. Family. Food. Inside studio. Autograph. Quartz. Wife. Early one with family. Rare. His art. With wife. Rare. He wrote, directed, produced, edited, starred in, and composed the music for most of his films. He received many awards and honors especially later in life.